Well, this is one of those weeks in our area where it's going to range from short sleeves to sweatshirts, sometimes on the very same day.
Yeah, I had to turn the heat on in the car this morning. No judge, John. It also means your furnace might kick on for the first time. So new this morning, John Shumway is here with some things to keep in mind before the burners kick on. It's that time of year.
It really is. And our furnaces and air conditioners are things that we just depend on working when we need them. Needing both in the same day puts a little extra stress on the system. No one wants to wake up in bed shivering, but this is the week when you really have to think about the temperature in the house and expect the furnace may be needed.
You always have to check that furnace filter because it's probably been in there for most people most of the summer.
AirPro Heating and Cooling's Rocco Florio says filters are relatively inexpensive.
Throwaway filters, you get a pack of 6 for about 20 bucks.
But Florio says a clean filter is critical.
And heating is affected more by that dirty filter than anything, because it'll actually shut down your furnace because it peaks out at the limit, which means that there's not enough air moving through the return to push through the furnace. So it'll actually shut your furnace off.
Speaking of turning your furnace on and off, Florio says check your thermostat.
Try it before it gets cold. Make sure it transfers from cooling to heat and it's functional.
With the coming days going to be warm enough for air conditioning during the day, but cool enough for heat at night,
I would recommend at this time of year, you set your furnace at maybe 70 degrees in the evening.
But then if it doesn't automatically switch to cooling, turn it onto the AC when you leave the house in the morning so it's the right temperature when you get home.
It wouldn't be a bad idea to schedule a cleaning check on furnaces now because we check all the functional parts when we do that.
Yeah, and Florio also suggests you might want to look into a Wi-Fi connected thermostat, which you can control from your phone, like Ron Smiley does all the time and tells us about it repeatedly. That way you can make sure that your home is the right temperature when you get home. Some people just like to show off.
Yeah, he does talk about it a lot.
Oh, yeah.
He does. Yeah. Many conversations. Okay, but John, I thought you were supposed to set the thermostat, leave it alone, and he's saying adjust it daily because I've always done that, just leave it alone.
Yeah, only if you don't have an automatic cool to heat to cool kind of thermostat, then yes, set it each day dependent on what the forecast is. So you need to listen to Ron, find out how he's setting his thermostat, and then, cooperate and set yours the same.
At this point, I would be fine if Ron just took over our thermostats. Like, he can set all of them for us.
You know what's scary is I think he probably could figure out how to do that.
With today's technology, I would think so.
Let's not challenge him.
No.
All right. Thanks, John.